How to make a poster on Canva. Hello and welcome to our channel. So in this tutorial, I'll show you how to make a poster on Canva. So make sure to watch till the end so you don't miss any important steps. So if you need to create accounts on Canva, you can use my affiliate links in the description below. I'll earn a small commission at no extra cost to you, and you might also receive rewards or discounts by signing up through these affiliate links. So without further ado, let us begin. So, once you're in the Canva website, we can now start creating our poster. So you can either create a design from scratch right here. So let's just search up for a poster right here at the top in the search bar. There you go. And then you can choose any kind of poster that you can make from here. So you can use like a landscape poster, a portrait poster, educational poster, and a lot more. So for example, I'll just use this portrait poster right here. So I'll just click on it. And then there you go, we now have our portrait poster. So if you want to add like templates right here or designs to your poster, what you can do is go to design right here, and then from here they have a lot of templates right here that you can use in making your poster. So feel free to choose what kind of template you want to use in making your poster. So as an example, I'll choose this poster right here as an example. So I'll just click on this template, and then there you go, the template has now been added for our poster. So once you're done adding the template, you can now start editing your poster right here. So this poster is really about introducing yourself, so I'll just change up the details right here. So as an example, I'll just name this as John Doe. There you go. And then we can also change the birth date if you want to. So I'll just change this into 24 and then 5, so May 24, 1995. Also change your age right here, height, and etc. And then what you can also do is change the fonts of your poster. So if you want to do that, just simply select the text that you want to change the font of. So for example, I want to change the font of the name right here. So just simply select that, then go to font right here. And then from here, you can now change the font of the poster. So for example, I'll just change the font right here to Lazy Dog. And then there you go, the font has been changed. And then what you can also do is move the text around if you want to. So if you want to change some alignment settings, you can do so just by moving the text around. Next is if you don't like the design, you can change it still. So if you want to change the design, you can change it to anything right here. So for example, I want to change it to this one, so you can do that as well. So what you can do is add template as a new page or replace the current page. So what we can do is just simply replace it to the current page. And there you go, the template has been changed. So yeah. And then again, you can edit out the details right here within your poster. Next is we have elements. So in here, you can add elements right here within your poster. So you can add elements right here like stickers, some shapes, and some graphics. So as an example, I'll try to add another kind of graphic right here. So I'll try to add this circle. There you go. Then what you can also do is resize it as well if you want to. So yeah. So for example, I'll just move this graphic right here. So I'll just move it right here to exhibition highlights, something like that. And then there you go. So yep, if you want to change the color as well, just select the color of your text and then you can change the color from there. So for example, I'll change it to red, and then there you go. Then if you want to add some formatting settings right here, you can do so at the top right here. So you can italicize it, underline it, add a strike through, and etc. You can also change the alignment as well, add a list. If you want to, you can also change the spacing right here, like the letter spacing, the line spacing. You can also anchor the text if you want to as well. Next is they have advanced formatting right here, so you can add superscripts and subscripts within your text. You can also change some typography settings right here, so you can add like kerning and ligatures. Next is the transparency. So in here you can set the transparency of your text right here. So the lower the transparency, the less viewable your text is. So there you go. You can also add effects right here within your text. So you can add effects like adding shadows, adding a lift, making it hollow, adding echoes, adding a background, making it glitchy, adding an outline, and etc. So as an example, I'll just add an outline to this text right there, and then there you go. You can also change the thickness of the outline of your text and also change its color. So as an example, I'll just make it white, and there you go. There's now an outline within our text. You can also add animations as well, but since it's a poster, it's really not needed. Then you can also change the position right here as well. So you can arrange the layers right here of the text. So you can move it right here all around it within your poster. Moving on, let's try to add some more elements right here. So let's just try to add a camera. There you go. Let's just look for a camera graphic that we can use right here. Or let's just use this film graphic right there that we can add within our poster. So let's just add it right there. And then there you go. Next is we have text. So if you want to add additional text right here within your poster, you can do so as well. So you can simply add a text box right here or add default text styles like a heading, a subheading, or a little body of text. So if you want to do that, you can do so right here, or you can try some font combinations right here if you want to. So they have different kinds of font combinations right here that you can use. So for example, I want to use this font combination, so I'll just click on it, and there you go. It will now be added right here to our poster. So I'll just add it right here at the bottom, making it small. And then there you go. Moving on, so we have brands. So if you want to add your branding right here within your poster, you can do so right here. But this one is for the Pro plan. So if you want to add it, you really need to add or buy the Pro plan. So you can add your logos right here, add your brand colors, the fonts, and etc. Next is we have upload. So in here you can upload images, videos, or audios so that you can upload and use them within your poster. So if you want to do that, just simply upload files right here, and then you can upload files directly right here within your folder. So yeah, so in here you'll get to see all the files or photos that you've uploaded in this section. So if you want to do so, you can add it, just drag it, and then just add it to your poster if you want to. Then I'll just delete it. So there you go. Next is we have tools. So in here you can use different kinds of tools right here within your poster, like drawing around it. So you can draw around your poster right here. So for example, I'll just add some other circles, and then you can also change what kind of pen you want to use. So you can use a thinner pen right here. You can also change the color. So I'll just change it to red. There you go. And there you go. You can add drawings right here within your poster. You can also add shapes right here if you want to. Then you can also add text within your shapes. So yeah, feel free to design your poster to your liking. You can also add lines, add sticky notes if you want to, add text again, or add tables. Next is we have projects. So in here we will get to see all the projects that we have made right here within Canva. So as you can see right here, I have some other projects right here that I have made within Canva, so you can access them right here as well. You also get to see your designs, your folders, and your images. Next is we have apps. So in here, there are a lot of apps right here that you can use in making up your poster. So in here, they have AI-powered apps right here if you want to use them. So as an example, I'll just use this HeyGen AI avatars right here as an example. I'll just click on open, and then there you go. We can now add avatars right here within our poster. So there are a lot of apps right here that you can use. So yeah, so feel free to use what kind of app you want to use or you want to add within your poster. So as an example, I want to add this avatar right here. So I'll just add this. There you go. And then you can change the view mode right here. Add the background color if you want to. And then you can add the script for your avatar right here. So yeah. They also have an anime style version right here. So you can create anime style images with just a message. There you go. So I'll just open this up. There you go. So I'll just make it girl in Japan, something like that. Click on create, and then we'll now start creating that image for us. And there you go. It has now generated the image for us, so you can replace it to any of these images right here. So for example, I want to replace it for this image right there, and then there you go. The image has now been changed. So yeah, so that is how you use the apps section right here in Canva. Next is we have the quick actions right here. So in here, you can just basically use the search bar right here to search anything right here within Canva. So you can search anything right here, like adding text, sharing it, downloading it, resizing it. You can create bulks of it, and etc. And then there you go. And then once you're done, you can now save it or share it to your team. Or what you can also do is add your team right here within your Canva project so that they can also help edit right here your poster. So if you want to do that, just simply click on this plus icon right here. And then there you go. You can now add people right here within your project. So just simply add their emails right here or their names so that they will be added right here within your project. And then once you're done, so once you're ready to export your project, just simply click on share. There you go. Again, you can invite people right here. You can also change their access level right here as well. And then once you're done, you can also download the image. So just simply click on download. Then you can also select the file type. So you can select a JPEG, PNG, PDF standard, PDF print, and etc. So as an example, I'll just change it into PNG. There you go. And then once you're done, you simply click on download. And then just wait for the download to finish. And then there you go. Once it's done, it will now start downloading. And then there you go. It is now done. So let's just open up the image that we have made. And then there you go. This is now the image that we have edited. So there you go. And then after that, you are pretty much done. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to make a poster on Canva. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more tech tips. That is all.